Shop. I recently acquired some Axe paste and polishing paste, and I've used it on a couple of pins, and I like the finish really well. I have this bowl here, which is a laminate that was given to me originally by EPOP's Wood Turning. A friend of mine lives in San Antonio. So I've always liked this bowl, but I'm going to try the Axe paste on it, see how much more of a shine it gives me than it already had. This was only finished with Howard's Feed and Wax, my typical finish. So what we're going to do is we're going to put a little elbow grease into this with the Axe and see how much it improves the shininess of this. So let me get my stuff out and we'll get started. All right, this was originally, I think, sanded to 400. And then, of course, Howard's Feed and Wax. And y'all saw the finish it had on it, which had dulled over a little bit because I did this bowl several years ago. Well, I hadn't been doing it several years, but about a year and a half ago, I probably did this bowl. Maybe a year. And there's a video on it, I'm pretty sure. And I think that it did a great job. I love the sheen it gave it. It's not glossy, which I'm not a big glossy fan anyway. But I've got some chatoyance in here and got a good sheen on it. And now it's protected a little better. So now we'll go back in. We're keeping it in the guest bedroom currently. And let me pull the camera off and I'll show you the side of it here. Here's the side. You can see the chatoyance in there. I gotta tell you, I'm very impressed with Todd's ability to get wood to stick together without absolutely any type of gap at all. It's perfect. Only thing you can feel, only texture you feel is the different textures of the wood, and because of the hardness and the grain, for the most part, the grain. does a great job. All right, just a quick, short little video so I can give something a little try here. Appreciate you watching. Please like and subscribe and tell a friend. Thanks a lot. Bye.